Akamitis. Hello, my little birds. How are you? You are a pretty little bird, aren't you? Aren't you, my little bird? Yes, you are. Yeah, yes, you are, my little bird. Who is my little Liebchen? Who is my little Liebchens, my little bird? Yeah?
Something tells a mythic impersonation, Mother. I hear you behind my back. She's rolling her eyes.
My cute little birds. Look at the little bird. Oh, this one's awake. Hello, guten Tag. Oh, Mitzi, you are so cute. Yes, you are. Who's a cute little bird? You are the cute bird. Da? Oh, you are so cute. I just want to cover you with cute little fluffy babies.
I'm not weird. I'm not weird, Mother. Mother, I'm not weird. My mother thinks I'm weird.